Greeting to everyone. I, Harshita GR, student of 5th SEM BCA. Here, we are going through the case study of Big Data Analytics. Undoubtedly, big data has become a big frame changer in most of the modern industries over the last few years. As big data continues to pass through our day-to-day lives, the number of different companies that are adopting big data continue to increase. Let us see how big data help them to perform exponentially in the market with these 5 big data case studies. Uber. Uber has been a first preference for the people in the world. For any kind of traveling and deliveries, they choose Uber as a best choice. Uber focus on the supply and demand of the services, due to which the price of service provided changes. Therefore, one of the Uber's biggest uses of data is surge pricing. For example, on New Year Eve, the price of driving for 1 mile can go from 200 to 1000. In short term, surge pricing affects the rate of demand, while long term use could be key to retain or losing customers. Netflix. Netflix is the most loved American entertainment company specializing in online, on-demand streaming video for its customers. Big data analytics is a fuel that fires the recommendation engine designed to serve this purpose. Most recently, Netflix started positioning itself as a content creator, not just a distribution method. The company's data structure includes Hadoop, Hive, and Pig, with much other traditional business intelligence. eBay. eBay is working with several tools including Apache, Spark, Storm, Kafka. A big technical challenge for eBay as a data-intensive business to exploit a system that can rapidly analyze and act on data as it arrives. It allows the company's data analytics to search for information tags that have been associated with the data and make it consumable to as many people as possible with security and permission. Procter & Gamble. Procter & Gamble has been a genius company, has recognized the potential of big data and put it to use in business units around the globe. We all use P&G company product 2 to 3 times per day. It has put a strong emphasis on using big data to make better, smarter, real-time business decisions. P&G being oldest company, still holding a great share in the market despite having many emerging companies. Walmart. Walmart is the largest retailer in the world and the world's largest company by revenue. It started making use of big data analytics much before the world's big data came into the picture. With more than 2 million employees and 20,000 stores in 28 countries, big data solutions at Walmart are developed with the intent of redesigning global websites and building innovative applications to customize the shopping experience for customers. Hadoop and NoSQL technologies are used to provide internal customers with access to real-time data collected from different sources and centralized for effective use. So, conclusion from this is, big data help almost every company or sectors that aspires to grow analyze a large data sets that are associated with events of the company, can give them insights to increase their customer satisfaction. Thank you.